It's really cool to be able to create a vector path with the pen tool or any of its variants, such as the freeform pen tool, draw a path, and then type on top of that path. As you see here in this image, I'm going to take my pen tool and I'm going to click to add a point, click, hold down my mouse and drag, click, hold down my mouse and drag, and I'll add one more point over here. Then I'm going to grab my type tool and I'm going to show you something here. Look at the cursor. Currently it's an I-beam, but as I move it closer to this path, it changes. It tells me that I can click anywhere and start to type. So I'll click right here and I'll type the windy road. Now it's pretty cool, but as you can see, some of the words get a little bunched up. So you have to sometimes adjust the path. Notice over here we have this black arrow. Well, if I hold my mouse down, I reveal that we have something called the direct selection tool. I can click on my path now and I can change it. So I can more easily read the words. I can also use this handle to change that as well. If I need to, I can go back to my type tool, click inside the word itself, and then hit the space bar to change some of the spacing. Or you can use any of the tools that we talked about earlier. It's a really cool way to create something unique. So I'm going to go ahead now and just move this up like so, and just play around with it a little bit more. Just like the other tools, as long as you have your type selected, you can change the color of your text. And now you have something really cool. Now, by the way, I'm going to show you something else. A quick way to create a drop shadow. I'm literally going to duplicate this layer by dragging it to the new layer icon. And on the one in the background, I'll double click. I'll change the swatch to a darker color. And then I'm going to grab my move tool and I'm going to actually hit my arrow keys on my keyboard to move that down. Now we've let the type pop and we can read it more easily. So that's how you can create type on a path. If I grab the direct selection tool, I can click near the words itself like so, and I get this black arrow. So I can click and pull down to drag this text so it's now underneath the path.